Okay, we're given a problem where they're giving us four roots and they're asking us to find the equation. So what we do is if a is a root, the factor would be x minus a. If minus b is a root, it would be x minus a minus b, or x plus b would be a factor. If 1 over a is a root, x minus 1 over a would be a factor. And if minus 1 over b is a root, it would be x minus a minus, which would be x plus 1 over b. So that's the first step. It's the first goal to get there. The next goal is to get rid of the fraction to make it easier, possibly easier to do. And if you do this, I would multiply both sides by ab. The point being here that we're going to make an association a with the third factor in, and the factor b with the fourth factor in. All right, so what do you get? You get x minus a, x plus b, and that association, a with that factor x minus 1 over a, you get ax minus 1, and the second one that you do is going to be bx plus 1 then. Then, of course, the problem now is the multiplication. And we've gone through quite a bit over time. And what I'd like you to do, if you can, is to do the work. Work. What does that mean? Multiplying it out, collecting terms, and getting the coefficients on the fourth degree term, the third degree term, the second degree term, which looks like the worst term to get the coefficient of, the first degree term, and then the constant AB. Now the constant AB, relatively easy to come up with just by multiplying the last term. The first term's also fairly easy to come up with. It's the middle guys that are tough. What I mean by that, if you look at this middle guys, they're the tough ones to get. These guys over here. But the beginning and end couldn't be easier. Really couldn't. All right? Now again, if you feel there's an error and you'd like to reach out to me, I want to again remind you who I am. I'm Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, that's B as in boy, the @ symbol, nnon.us. Now again, if you're starting with problem number 11 and haven't done the prior problems, that would be a mistake in itself. You need to build up your strength to get to 11. Once you do the problems, 1 through 10 now, 11 should be doable for you. Thank you.